Next Tuesday, you have to stand up and you have to tell Kamala Harris that you've done a terrible job, that crooked Joe Biden has done a terrible job. You've destroyed our country. We're not going to take it anymore. Kamala, you're fired. Get out, get out. You're fired.
I do believe Donald Trump to be an unserious man, but the consequences of him ever being president again are brutally serious. Brutally serious.
Get it done too. Did you see where she copied me like a month and a half later?